IT in focus this morning. They're all set to kick off the earnings season this week. In fact, tomorrow you'll hear from TCS. Rucha joins us to tell us what the street is penciling in from the pack. Rucha.
So yes, TCS kicks off the third quarter earnings season by reporting tomorrow. Let's look at what to expect from the IT space. Number one is BFSI, that is the banking sector, is expected to support revenue growth. Now remember that most of the management were talking about how banking is reviving. Number two is the wage hike, which could affect margins of companies like Wipro, Infosys as well as LTIMindtree. However, Infosys, whether they will come out with the hikes this time or postpone is what we have to look out for. However, depreciation of rupee against dollar is expected to help margin. Remember that rupee hit a record low, so this could also aid the top line of IT companies. But furloughs are expected to impact the top line as well because of lower number of working days. So this one might negatively affect. So we'll have to check whether furloughs are the same as the same time last quarter, or a little bit of more is what we have to watch out for over here. But let's move on to what are the particular elements to be watched out for in the companies. Infosys HCL Technologies guidance for FY25. Yes, this one is to be watched out for. Third quarter guidance of Wipro, demand trends as well as discretionary spending uptick. Remember that discretionary spending was still under pressure as mentioned by Accenture. So yes, what the Indian IT companies are talking about, this will be a key thing to watch out for. But also green trends in the BFSI space, of course, but green shoots in consulting business. Now, this one will be important for Wipro because remember that Accenture mentioned about how consulting is picking up for them. So this might be very important for Wipro. And lastly, yes, hiring, wage plans, as I had talked about, and management's perspective on how Trump policy changes would affect them. So this is what we'll have to hear from the management, what they are expecting and what could likely be the impact for them on the top line and the bottom line. This is a key picture of the earnings calendar. TCS tomorrow, HCL, Infosys and the other companies next week. HCL, Infosys on the same day, and Tech Mahindra and Wipro as well on the same day. So busy week, busy time next week is what we expect from the IT season.